Wealth and asset data is a key component that's missing from the financial landscape in the UK. If we're able to fill that gap, it will enable better policy making, richer research, and commercial organisations to design better products and more personalisation for consumers. The workshop today has been fantastic. It's brought together a lot of different perspectives and organisations that certainly typically in Experian we wouldn't work with, and that richness of different thoughts, ideas, viewpoints has really driven some fantastic conversation, which I think will enable us to take actions post the workshop, which still a big challenge to address, but I feel more confident that we will be on the right path.